Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Sharon Madsen. I hope you guys are having a great, happy winter solstice. So today's December 21st, and I'm so excited to be coming to you and talking to you about some stuff that I've got going on, some things that I've been putting together to share with you. So I have my little sidekick today with me. This is Sammy. It's my little buddy. And she goes everywhere I go. So we're doing this video together, me and her. So let's talk about the new year is coming. So Christmas is next Tuesday, and think about how you're going to be spending time with your family and maybe possibly eating all of those yummy foods that are going to put you into a food coma. So maybe having a little bit too much of the carbohydrates and not enough protein, maybe not enough vegetables, maybe not enough fruit. Usually fruit's not something that we eat during the holiday season. It doesn't seem like, with Thanksgiving, it's usually cranberries. But other than that, there's not really like a fruit platter or something like that. I don't think people usually do things like that. But if you're one of those families that have lots of vegetables and lots of fruit and lots of things like that for your Christmas dinner, that would be terrific. So think about what you're going to eat and how you're going to manage that. You're going to be going to your friends' homes or your relatives' homes, and you're going to be bringing a dish, or maybe you're cooking the dish yourself. So think about how you're fueling your body. So we want you to have a really, really good time. Eat and drink responsibly, but definitely you're going to feel it in the end if you kind of overindulge and overdo. So what I'd like to talk to you about today is most of us start the year out. We're going to say, oh, we're going to go to the gym. We're going to hit it hard. We're going to start exercising on a daily basis. We're going to do this, that, the other. And that usually lasts for about the first, 2 or 3 weeks. And then it kind of falls to the wayside and we just lose track of time, or we don't make the time to do it. And it's not a commitment that we've actually committed ourselves to doing. So I want to challenge you with one thing that I'm putting together. I'm putting together a private Facebook page, and it's called Making Sense of Food. So my book is called FoodSense A to Z, helping you make sense of food. And my workshop, or my 30-day group that I'm going to put together on Facebook, is called Making Sense of Food. So I'm looking forward to doing a beta testing here in the month of January, which means to be in this group, it's a 30-day or 31-day group. There's going to be daily support. There's going to be videos by me, videos by other members of the group. There's going to be recipes. There's going to be other added ideas. So if you come in there and you want to talk about challenges that you're having with yourself, or asking for opinions or ideas on how you can manage your health better, I'm putting together a group, as many as I can, together as a forum. So we all go in there. We all talk about our challenges. We all talk about our successes. We all talk about what matters to us. What stays, what happens in that chat room stays in that chat room. What happens in that group stays there. So it's a place where you can feel comfortable coming to me and the other members for support. And I think it's really important that we have a support team around us when we're starting a new journey with health and wellness. The problem with health and wellness stuff is most of us do it alone. And so we're not held accountable to ourselves. Sometimes we are more apt to cheat because there's really no one there to say, okay, now let's stay on task. Let's keep focused. Let's really, really think about what we're doing to ourselves and how we're fueling ourselves, instead of just putting stuff in our body that doesn't equate to food. It's just, snack foods and junk foods and processed foods and things like that. So Making Sense of Food is going to be a face group page, and it's going to be a private page or a closed group page, which means that this isn't a place where you can invite your friends. Although if your friends would like to join, go ahead and reach out to me and let me know that they want to join. So I'm going to put this group together, and I'm going to mark it all the way down to half price, because I'm going to put 100% effort into this group. You can ask me anything in this group. You can ask for help from everyone, me included, and we're all going to support each other. So we can talk about nutrition. We can talk about supplements. We can talk about recipes. I don't know why this little bug decides that he needs to be by me, but I'm not liking it. We could talk about nutrition, supplements, exercise. We're even going to do, I'm going to have some videos on some exercises and some things that you can do at home. Home exercises, gym exercises. I'm also going to have some tutorials about recipes. So I'm going to start doing some videos on recipes, and this is going to be a monthly group. So if you are interested in hanging out with me and making some new friends, some like-minded friends, people who are also looking to create a brand new journey for themselves, I would like you to reach out to me, send me a private message. If you don't think that this is a good fit for you, but maybe it's a good fit for your sister or your cousin or your mom or your brother or your dad or someone, then send them the information and let them see my video. Let them see this video here. Share this video with all of your friends so that we can put together a really good solid group that really wants to get some help. And this is a group effort. When you do individual consultations with me, you're going to pay more because we're doing individual stuff. I want to make this affordable for everyone. Get in the group, join the group, start thinking about supplements that you may want to think about taking or that you're looking into. If you want that special shake, powder, bar, I have many companies that I know would fit everyone's budget, and I know that would fit everyone's needs. So there's many different companies that I go to, and also there's many different brands and things at the grocery store that I use. So let's get together. Let's talk about health and wellness. Making sense of food is going to be a blast. So I'm looking forward to talking to each of you individually. I think what I'm also going to do is reach out to a few of you that may have expressed some interest in what I do and the help that I'm giving to others. And I'm just going to go ahead and send you a message. It doesn't mean that I think you need me. It just means that I'm reaching out to you because we've talked about nutrition in the past. So I really look forward to talking with you guys. I look forward to connecting with you or your friends. And I think that this group will be great because everybody can go in there who is ever involved in the group. You guys can post, you can ask questions, you can definitely get a lot of feedback. And I ask that people that join, be respectful of others because, like I say, what happens in that group stays with that group. So people may come with sensitive topics about food addictions, or maybe they just don't know about how to cook for themselves or how to shop for themselves. And I want this to be a really safe place for people to be able to come and feel comfortable and not feel like they're stupid or they, no question is a stupid question. No question is an invalid question. Everyone's question will be listened to and everyone's questions will be answered. I think that having a group meeting like this where we can all get together and talk is going to be key. Maybe you'll feel comfortable. I'm going to ask that people post, if you're trying to lose weight, maybe we post a little bit of before and after pictures. Maybe you show me a picture of what you're eating, one meal a day. That would be good. That's how we hold each other accountable. Because when I do my individual consultations, all of my clients have to send me a picture of at least one meal per day that they are consuming. And I'm either gonna, we're gonna critique it, we're gonna talk about it, we're gonna kind of pick it apart and see what we could have tweaked it just a little bit better to make it a little bit healthier choices. So if this sounds really good to you, if this sounds like something that you would like to be a part of, again, reach out to me in private message. If you are friends of a friend, you can private message me. If you have friends, talk to me about your friends first because I kind of have a little bit of a security on my page. You got to be a friend of a friend to be able to send me a request and to be able to be a friend of mine. And it just seems to be working out a lot better for me these days. So I really look forward to talking with you guys. Have a safe, happy, Merry Christmas and a wonderful new year. I'm putting this Facebook together, this Facebook page, this private page together within these 2 weeks. So let's get it to where we've got several of you in there. Ask me about pricing. Ask me about anything else that you need to know, any information that I haven't given to you that you would want to know. Go ahead and ask me. I'll be doing another video next week, the day after Christmas on the 26th. We'll talk about this again. We'll revisit this topic. We'll revisit how are you going to win the new year for yourself. So diets die, remember that. And we're not going to talk about a diet. We're going to talk about lifestyle changes that will stick with all of you and things that will bring your life a lot easier to manage what you're eating and how you're feeling about yourself. So I hope you have a terrific Friday. The holidays are here. There's nothing like spending the holidays with your family and the people that you love near and far. So I'm reaching out to you guys. I really hope that some of you take advantage of this beta test in January, half price. In February, it's going to be full price. So I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you in here in Making Sense of Food. It's a private group and it's coming up, and I'd love for you to be there. You guys have a terrific Friday and a terrific weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.